Most people quit their goals by February. So last year, I made this instead. This is my 2026 bingo card so far. And it might be the easiest way to actually achieve your goals. I've even added one to the back of my flyers. So instead of one massive goal that feels extremely overwhelming, this bingo card gives you small wins, big dreams and momentum. There's no pressure, no perfection, just progress. By the way, you can actually download this exact bingo card for free. It is linked on my website, just check the link in my bio. Let's fill in some together, pause the video and you can write yours too. So for my next square, I'm going to focus on connection and I'm going to write that I need to be making time for people who fill my cup. And the next one I would like to focus on simple joys. Things like walking outside with more fresh air and a calm environment. And then also focusing on health and energy. It could be to move my body 3 times a week with no excuses and also no guilt. The magic isn't in filling the whole card. It's in becoming the person who starts. And every square that you tick off is proof that you are moving forward. If you would like your own 2026 bingo card, it's completely free on my website. The link is in the bio. Print it, stick it somewhere that you're going to see it, and let's make 2026 a year you'll actually remember. Comment one thing that you're going to put on your bingo card this year. I would love to read them. And if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe and share the word so I can continue to make learning fun.